Stop for a second. Have you ever looked at the stock market and thought that's just for the rich? Or heard stories of people making a fortune overnight? You see those numbers flashing, green, red, up, down, and wonder, could I do that? Could I make my money work for me? The answer, yes, but only if you're smart, powerful, and secure in your choices. Making money in the market isn't luck or hot tips. It's about having a plan and knowing the rules. There are two main paths, the sprint of day trading and the marathon of long-term investing. Both can build wealth or destroy it if you're not prepared. The real question isn't can you make money, but how should you try? Before we go further, promise yourself you'll be honest about who you are and your relationship with money. That honesty is the foundation of your financial future. We're breaking down day trading and long-term investing. No jargon, just the truth. Ready? Let's get into it. What is day trading? Imagine you buy a hot sneaker at 9:30 a.m. for $300, sell it at 9:45 for $320, and pocket the quick profit. That's day trading, buying and selling stocks within the same day, chasing tiny price moves. Day traders aren't investing in companies, they're hunting for quick wins, glued to screens, making dozens of trades a day. It's intense, stressful, and demands total focus and technical know-how. Let me tell you about Tom. He quit his job, made $5,000 his first week, then lost it all, and $20,000 more the next. Tom's story isn't rare. Most day traders lose money. Why? You're not just trading stocks. You're up against Wall Street supercomputers and high-frequency trading bots. It's like racing a Formula One car with a family sedan. Winning is possible, but the odds are stacked against you. The reality, day trading is a high-risk, high-stress game. For every success story, there are dozens of losses. If you're thinking about day trading, know the risks are real. It's not a shortcut to wealth. It's a gamble. Most people lose money, not make it. The market is ruthless and emotion is your enemy. If you're not prepared, you'll get burned. So, is this the game you want to play? Now let's talk long-term investing. If day trading is a sprint, long-term investing is planting an oak tree. You buy a piece of a business, not just a ticker. You do your homework, pick strong companies, and hold on for years. You're betting on growth, innovation, and the power of time. Imagine buying into a small coffee shop and the 90s a day trader would ignore it. But a long-term investor would see the potential and watch it grow into a global giant. That's the magic of compounding and patience. Long-term investing works with your life, not against it. You don't need to watch the market all day. Invest a little from each paycheck, ride out the ups and downs, and let time do the work. Historically, the market trends upward over decades. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. This strategy builds real, lasting wealth. It's the proven path for most people. Let's put day trading and long-term investing head-to-head. Day trading's potential for fast profits and excitement. You're in control, making moves every minute. But the cons? Massive risk, emotional stress, high costs, and higher taxes. Most lose money, and it's a full-time job. Long-term investing's proven wealth building, less stress, lower taxes, and it fits any lifestyle. The con? It's not instant gratification. You need patience, and your money isn't always liquid. But over time, the market rewards patience and discipline. Day trading is a roller coaster, thrilling, but dangerous. Long-term investing is a steady climb, slower, but safer. You have to choose adrenaline or endurance. Most people aren't built for the stress of day trading. Long-term investing lets you live your life while your money grows. The risks are real in both, but the odds favor patience. Don't confuse luck with skill. Know yourself before you choose. The right strategy depends on you. So which path is right for you? Only you can answer that. Do the mirror test. Can you stomach big losses without panicking? If not, day trading isn't for you. Day trading is for those with nerves of steel and money they can afford to lose. If you're risking your savings or rent, you're gambling, not investing. Long-term investors can handle market dips. They see them as opportunities. Consider your time. Do you have hours every day to trade? If not, day trading will consume you. Long-term investing fits busy lives. You check in monthly, not hourly. What are your goals? Quick cash or lasting wealth? If you want to build something for the future, long-term is the way. You can't run a marathon with a sprinter strategy. We've covered the thrill of day trading and the steady power of long-term investing. Day trading promises excitement, but for most, it ends in losses. Long-term investing may seem boring, but it's the vehicle that's carried millions to financial security. It's about owning a piece of progress, not chasing quick wins. My advice? For most people, long-term investing is the smart, secure choice. Start today, open an IRA, invest in a low-cost index fund, and keep going. Over decades, you'll build real wealth. If you want to try day trading, use only what you can afford to lose. It's speculation, not investing. Ultimately, it's your money and your future. Make the choice that lets you sleep at night. Be honest, be smart, and keep learning. Subscribe for more financial empowerment. Your future self will thank you.